reduced species and oxidized species. So it follows that way. So now let's move to the next one. Manganese, 4-oxide ion, and chlorine. Now look at what happens there. So in this way, we have to define oxidation in terms of oxygen, and oxidation and reduction in terms of oxygen. Now oxidation is the addition of oxygen, reduction is the removal of oxygen from a substance. Now if you look at it, you will discover that MnO4 negative here, it becomes Mn2 plus here, that's manganese 2 ion here. So you will discover that oxygen was removed from it for it to form this. So because oxygen is removed from it, now MnO4 negative is said to undergo reduction reaction, because reduction is the removal of oxygen from a substance. So it undergoes reduction reaction. So now because it undergoes reduction reaction, it is the oxidizing agent. So the same goes. So this is our reducing agent here. Now we can identify our reducing agent in another way. So but for shortcut purpose, so if you identify one of them, are you getting it? So oxidizing agent is always backed up by reducing agent. So if you identify one of them, so you don't need to trouble yourself for that. So but for the sake of learning, let me talk a bit more about this. Now look at chlorine here. So don't forget, oxidation is the addition of oxygen. Are you getting it? So because this, so from here chlorine here, from chloride, chlorine oxide here. So look at it. So now because oxygen, because it gains oxygen to form chlorine oxide here, so it is said it is said to undergo oxidation. Are you getting it? So it goes further that anyone that will undergo oxidation, as I've told you earlier, is the reducing agent. So that's that. So now it follows that this is our reduced species, while this is our oxidized species. So now let's move here to the final stage here. So ion 3 ion turns to ion 2 ion here. So now don't forget, there's a definition for oxidation, that oxidation is the increase in oxidation number, while reduction is decrease in oxidation number. So now look at it. Is this reaction here now from here down to here? Can we say it's oxidation or reduction reaction? Of course, if we look at it carefully, we'll discover that it is a reduction reaction. Why? Because the oxidation number decrease. How? Now look at it. So ion 3 ion plus 3 here, it turns to plus 2 here. So that's decrease in oxidation number. So as a result of that, this is a reduction reaction. Are you getting? This is a reduction reaction. So now because this is a reduction reaction, any reaction where the reduction takes place, so that will be our oxidizing agent. So why the same way, this will be our reducing agent. We don't need to trouble ourselves further. So this is our reduced species, this is our oxidized species. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share with others. So bye.